All right, that's pretty cool looking. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti Founders Edition is a powerful and efficient graphics card designed for 1080p and NVIDIA says even 1440p gaming. It harnesses the new Ada Lovelace architecture and RTX technologies, including DLSS 3, frame generation, and reflex. Priced at $399 for the 8GB model, it offers some excellent value with not exactly increased MSRP pricing compared to the previous generations. The card's performance is fine, outperforming the RTX 3060 Ti by around 13% in 1080p gaming. Most importantly, I think though, it maintains impressive power efficiency, drawing even less power than the RTX 3060. While it doesn't deliver a massive leap in performance, its efficiency, AI capabilities, and reasonable price, making it a decent choice for gamers if you're not interested in buying something used. On the bright side though, I got this sleek Founders Edition. The design and quiet operation enhance the overall package for sure. But that's enough of me talking. Let's unbox this. I could have sworn my knife was right over here. What else do I have that can be used as a knife? How about this? We've got a USB cable. Can that be used as a knife? Oh, it sure can. People packing this knew what they were doing. All right. I'm gonna have to do it down here. Guess what? There is more tape on this box. Is this the top or the bottom? I'm not really sure. Might just be able to rip this tape off. There we go. That's easy enough. Woohoo! All right, that's pretty cool looking. Check this out. I don't even know how this box works. This is pretty intense. Wow, okay. This is a GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. This is some pretty intense packaging. And it's just see-through in there. There's tape on both sides. It says tear. It has been torn. And now, wow. That is, not gonna lie, that's pretty spectacular. I love it. There is the Founders Edition GeForce 4060 Ti in all of its glory. That is, that's a really cool card, not gonna lie. I can't wait to put that in the computer. I don't know what's back here. I think it's cables and manual. Huh. Wow. That is super cool. There is the manual of how to install it, as well as a cable. I'm so excited about this. That's a good looking card. 4060 Ti. If you didn't hear before, I actually partnered with NVIDIA. They not only gave me this graphics card, they gave me 2 other 4060s to give away to my community. Take a look at this video to find out exactly how a channel my size partnered with NVIDIA and got to take advantage of an opportunity like this.